feeling a little overwhelmed. Sometimes during Christmas, we get lost in the clutter of gift wrapping, cooking, or just stressing over something. And some of us are weighed down with grief and hurt and loss and physical pain and loneliness and sometimes just anxiousness. All of that can cause us to lose our peace. I remember when my sister was murdered in October, and 2 months later, it was Christmas. And we were trying to find ways to take our minds off of it. And you see, that's the thing. We were trying to find peace on our own, but it caused more unrest. So trying to find peace that comes from the outside is going to always be temporary. And do you know that the world can give you peace one day and war the next day? I know that the only way to peace is through prayer. Through prayer, God will remind us of the gift that we already have inside of us. So even when things feel out of control, invite God into that mess and trust that He will work everything out for your good. You see, the enemy tried to steal our peace, but we got it back because of Jesus. And the Bible says to seek peace and to chase after it. And do you know that you can not hear from God when your mind is not at rest? Joseph was a prime example. After he learned that Mary was pregnant, he lost his peace. And even though they were engaged, he was going to dismiss her quietly. But then an angel appeared to him in a dream while he was at rest and at peace and told him about Jesus and convinced him to accept Mary as his wife. So today, protect your peace. Yes, we live in a fallen world, but because of Jesus, we have hope for a future filled with love, joy, and peace. So open the gift of peace today. God gave that gift to you, and no one can steal it away from you unless you allow them to. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and his name will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace. Merry, peaceful Christmas. God bless you.